In order to explain what gerunds are and how they work, I have 3 examples here. Number 1, learning is awesome. Obviously, there's a gerund in here. I am good at playing volleyball. And third example, they enjoy listening to music. Now, all those sentences have one thing in common. There is an ing form, but it's not a progressive. This is a gerund, or rather those are the 3 main types of gerunds. So we'll look at those more closely in the tutorials to come. The first, gerund as a subject. Learning is awesome. Learning in this case is the subject. It's a verb that is made pretty much a noun, you can say. Is the predicate, and awesome is whatever else comes in the sentence. Gerund after prepositions. I am good at playing volleyball. At is a preposition. If you don't know what a preposition is, then look that stuff up. And gerund after certain verbs. They enjoy listening to music. So in this case, the certain verb after which a gerund has to be is to enjoy. So again, check out these following tutorials to find out about each of those kinds of gerunds.